just bought a couch. This is a refrigerator. Oh my god. I just got a refrigerator. Bam, bam. This is like this retro looking refrigerator. I saw a lot of reviews saying that people who bought this said a lot of it was broken. So I'm hoping that is not the case. So I am gonna take pictures of it 360 real quick just to make sure that if it is broken, it's not my fault and I have photo references. But yeah, I also have this video. Ugh. I think what I'm gonna do is lay it on the floor on its side. The bottom. Ready? Dun, dun. Ta-da! Ready, ready, ready? Look at this. Oh! Put this in. Oh. Mini fridge. Sup. Today we're gonna make a library card. I'm trying to find my friend Leanna right now. She says she's standing near or sitting near a table with lions. The two lions. Finding lions now. I see her. She's right there. Ah. Sup? You've never been here?
No.
Really?
You have?
Yeah, there's like you can look at like free documents. Sick. What are we doing today?
Going to the library, getting library cards.
So New York.
Very.
Well, you've been here what, 6 years?
Going on 8.
8 years. And she doesn't have a library card. Can you believe that?
It's tragic.
Look at us. Library. This is
expired every 3 years. Every 3 years you have to renew it.
every 3 years? Okay.
Good. Thank you so much.
Look at us. Haha. Hey. We're officially New Yorkers.
It's true.
The state ID does not matter. This is what matters.